Dave Welch, you are the expert on all this stuff. In a previous episode here, you came in and you changed the look of this 1971 truck dramatically. We see the vent window on the driver's side. On the passenger side, you cleaned it up with a one-piece kit. And you guys at Brothers Trucks, you cover 1947 through 87, and you have one-piece kits for all of them,
right,
including the one you brought with us here. Tell us about this kit.
Right, so here we're looking at the 47 to 50 kit, and what I like about this guy is that it comes with everything. It's an electric window crank that bolts into the original bolts. So there's no cutting and measuring and all this, did I get it in the right spot? You bolt it into the original spot.
How important is it for you guys to make kits that fit the original holes and original hardware and that sort of thing?
It's really the only thing we're working for, because we don't want to make your job any tougher. We want to make it as easy as possible. So that's why we do videos every single week. If you go to YouTube and you check out Brothers Trucks channel, you'll see us installing all of these kits. So we know they work, and we constantly modify them and update them so they're better and better and better.
Excellent. And what else comes in the kit here?
So you got your electrical, you got your switches in there. This is a channel that's going to go towards the front of the door where the vent window used to be. Again, here's your electric with a bolt straight in. These are channels that are going to go on the inside of the door. Now, to get these in the right spot, we've got this metal. I want to reiterate, metal, not piece of paper. And you'll see that it's labeled right side and left side, and it has the armrest holes, which a lot of times it wasn't drilled out at the factory. And what you do is you bolt this on to original holes that are already in the door, so you don't have to do any guessing. You'll notice that these holes right here line up with these for the channel that goes into the wheel right there. And now you don't have to worry about anything. You know you got it in the right spot and everything's going to be good to go. Another reason I like this is that it comes with the window channels at the bottom. Now, you wouldn't be able to use your old ones anyway. They'd more than likely be rusted out, and the kit has to have a longer one, but a lot of times these are rusted out, so it's nice these comes with it. It's going to come with your felts that are going to be longer for the absence of the vent window, and then you're going to have your window channel here that's going to go all the way around the door, and then you've got your window tape. This just goes on the bottom of the glass and it helps secure it to the bottom channel right here. So installing this, you don't need any special tools or knowledge or anything like that. It comes with all the instructions. I'm sure we'll be doing a YouTube video on this really soon for you guys, so make sure you check us out on the YouTube channel, brotherstrucks.com. It's just an excellent kit, installs easy, no special tools. Takes you about an hour or two each side. Not a big deal.
What is it about classic trucks like this that people love so much, because they're so popular these days?
Well, I mean, you know, it's metal, man. So you're just not going to get the style like this out of any other car, and they're just tough.
But why replace the vent windows in the first place?
You got a couple of different reasons. It's a really good, sleek look, first of all. And the vent windows, they just get old and tired. The rubber on them gets old and tired. They're going to start leaking. They make a lot of whistling noises and things. Even after you rebuild them, a lot of times they're a source for the whistling, because you just have these little cracks that you just can't get a hold of. And so you get rid of all that, and then you're going to get a really good seal all the way around the door, because you don't have all those extra holes that can go. So let's say, for instance, you had your truck and you were thinking about rebuilding your vent window. Instead of spending the cost on that, just put that money into this, take care of all the noise, and seal everything up good and look cool at the same time.
Well, you can go check out the interwebs for brotherstrucks.com. You can get your truck back on the road and looking great.